Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to find the solution about Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Netflix and you click. After that you click here on force stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.